What's so great about this project is that not only does it combine the natural ecosystem benefits of restoration, but it's a set of green infrastructure that provides water supply and recreational opportunities for the town. That sort of win-win-win type of project not only comes along rarely, but requires the input, the cooperation of a large array of stakeholders.
From an ecological standpoint, this project has a lot of value in the species, the endangered species, the Roanoke log perch. These dam structures that, this project worked to remove that barrier for. Those kind of barriers exist across the state, across the country, but for this location, the Roanoke log perch, it has issues crossing those barriers, getting upstream for migratory, for spawning, and just as their general habitat. So removing those kind of barriers, it creates a connectivity back that's restored to the stream, and from that point, it really kind of works with the ecological web that functions and exists in natural ecosystems to be healthier and function better.
Well, I think at this point, anything we can do for the environment that's a win, we should do more of it. And reconnecting upstream and downstream and taking out as many barriers on streams as we can, I think is a net positive for the environment as a whole, as well as for the communities that surround those features.
I think this is really a win for everyone. You get the tourism impact, you get the fish passage benefit, and you get the human benefit as well. The dam is a lot safer now that there's no more undercutting, and I think we need to continue doing this, and it would be amazing if we could build something just like this at all the other dams.
At Chris Bass Engineering, we really enjoy opportunities to integrate human and natural systems to restore the environment and leave a better place than what we found when we arrived.